Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking With Me, Chef Quee. Today, you guys, we're making a quick and easy appetizer. We're making some Rotel Dip. Let's go. Alright you guys, so this is a very quick and easy recipe. So I have some Velveeta cheese, some ground sausage, cream cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, some chopped red onions, 2 sliced jalapeno peppers, which are optional, and I have 2 cans of the Rotel diced tomatoes and chilies. So I'm going to start by slicing up or cubing up my cheeses. Alright, so now that I cubed my cheeses and set them to the side, I'm going to go ahead and cook my ground sausage until it's nice and brown. So while I'm waiting on that meat to finish browning, I went ahead and drained the 2 cans of the Rotel. I'm going to reserve that juice. Once my meat is all done, I'm going to go ahead and drain the fat off of that. Alright, so now I'm going to add all of the ingredients into a greased 9x13 baking dish. So I had a small block of Velveeta already open in my fridge, so I went ahead and cubed that up and added that in as well. Alright, so we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. We're going to remove it, give it a nice good stir, and then add some of that juice that we set aside from earlier to thin it out. So after I added some of that reserved liquid, I'm going to put it back into the oven for an additional 15 minutes. Take it out, give it a good stir again, and then we're going to pop it back in for an additional 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice, smooth, and creamy. Alright you guys, our Rotel Dip is complete. Serve it with some tortilla chips or some Doritos and you guys will not be disappointed. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, hit that big red subscribe button down below, turn on those notifications so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Follow me on all social medias and I will see y'all in the next video.